Hey, what's good, YouTube? Man, I know it's been a while since the last time I uploaded something with some shoes, but I was working on the Kamikaze All Stars, and I did the unboxing. I just never got around doing the on-feet video, and I actually even wore them, so that kind of discouraged me to continue with the video because I wore them. They still look fresh, but if I put them on there as an on-feet video, then you might see some stuff on them. So that's why I just kind of left it alone. And I did, in fact, buy another pair of All-Star Kamikazes just for the fact to preserve them or somewhat, like keep them up, put them up until my other ones go bad or whatever the case might be. I really do take care of my kicks, so I don't even know when that would be. But I did buy another pair, so I could probably do the on-feet portion on some brand new All-Star Kamikazes and just wrap the video up, you know what I'm saying? But let's get into these. These are the what these called, Juun. I don't know how to say this man's name, Juun J or Juun J. We just call him Juun J. So these are the Juun J pumps. I got the brown ones. They did have my size for all others, but I got these brown ones because I think these will look dope in the winter, wearing some either a where am I going with this? Either rocking something brown, like for instance, like a leather jacket or something. I don't rock leather jackets, but there's many like a canvas jackets, you know what I'm saying, like some Carhartt jackets, and these will be perfect with them. So they did have my size, like I said, in the whites and the blacks and in the browns, but I wanted to get the brown ones. Them whites and them blacks, they don't look casual. These brown ones do look like a casual sneaker. Check it out right there. That's a Reebok and Juun J. Let's see what that. I think it's like an old-fashioned type of box where the lid comes off. So let me be careful with this. Here go the tag right there. Size 10 all the time. See that gloss? And on this side you got like a slanted, you know what I'm saying, texture. And on this side no gloss. That's all the bottoms say. All these logos right there. Pause it if you want. Right there, right there. But man, let's take a look at the shoes. So it got the old classic pull the lid off type of box. And as soon as you look in there, you got some custom Reebok Juun J wrapping paper. Oh man, these do look fresh. So everybody's saying that these are some quality leather sneakers. I think that the recent pumps they've been giving us has been bringing quality leather. So let's see what the difference is. See that? No lie. Well, actually, man. You see how it does like a wrinkle? Like when you touch it, it like wrinkles up. That's how you know that's leather. Excuse my fingernails, I had a long day at work. Look at that. Look at that. No lie, these do feel good. Man. So I just wanted to show y'all the kicks. I really can't describe all the materials and stuff the way other people be doing it. But let's take this out the way and show y'all the shoes. So that's them right there. No other color but brown all the way around. That actually rhymed. We got some little blemishes right there. See, when you find little things like that, actually that came off. When you find little things like that, you take advantage of that. You send a Reebok a picture, you tell them, look at this. My shoe got this blemish here, it won't come off. You know, how can you make things right? And that's when they hit you with them customer service vouchers for 50% off. So these shoes here originally are $280 plus tax. I didn't pay that. I paid half of that. I used my 50% coupon on these. And I had been having that coupon for a while. But I was waiting for the, what was I waiting on? I was waiting for the chalk pumps to come out so I can go ahead and throw both of them in the bag and use that coupon. And I actually threw in a pair of Kamikazes like I just said in the beginning of the video. I bought another pair of Kamikazes. So I bought all three pairs of shoes and used the 50% off, so everything came out to be half price. So these are $280. I got these for $140 plus tax, probably hit like $150 some. The chalk pumps, I think they $150. paid half for that, so that was like 75. Came out to like 80 and some change, I think. And the reason why I got the Kamikaze All-Stars all over again, one, to wrap up the video with some new shoes on my feet because I done messed up the unboxing, and two, because they're 120 retail, so I got them for 60. So they came out to be like, I think like 64 and some change or something like that. But that's how you do it, man. You take advantage. People at Reebok taking advantage of the people overseas getting these things for cents on the dollar. So we got to do the same thing. You know what I'm saying? We got to, if you really want them and you got that advantage of getting a customer service coupon, by all means, you know what I'm saying? Tell them, hey, I need that, and you get you 50% off. So look at that. These are all what they call perforated leather up here with all the little holes and stuff. These are, I know a lot of these look like some shoes I won't be wearing much, probably like in the winter. These ain't gonna see a lot of airtime, man. That look live right there in the back. The little pull tab they put on here. Pretty sturdy too. You know what I'm saying? It's not hard, actually it is kinda hard. But yeah, that's super live. It's stitched right here at the bottom, so don't worry about it ripping off or none of that. But man, these, they ain't got no more. They ain't got many sizes on these anymore. So check it out, see what you can find on Reebok.com, and on to the next one.